Hello friends, welcome to Quantum Espresso tutorial series for beginners. This is the lab 11. Today we are going to learn how to plot electronic band structure without any external software. Please watch lab 8 for more details about all input files. Let's watch all input file again. This is the simple graphite SCF file with prefix graphite and output directory as the data. Remember one thing, that in all files you should keep the same prefix and output parameters. Now this is a simple PW band files. With same prefix and same output directory. Here we already assign high symmetry points in the first brilliant zone, and this one is a simple band file with same prefix and same output directory. Here output file is bands.dat in file band parameter. Now open notepad and type command for compilation. First two file means graphite.in and pwbands.in will compile with pw command, and last file bands.in is compiled with bands command. Now save this file as autorun.bat and save as type is equal to all file. Then click on save button. Save in a current directory. Just compile this all three files by double click on autorun. It is completed. Now we have bands.dat GNU file. Open it with a notepad. Here is the energies from -14 to 20. Now again open notepad for new file. Here first we write output file from bands.in file is bands.dat, and the range of energy is -14 to 19. So we can write here range -15 to 20. Here bands.dat is actually the output file of bands, which is bands.dat GNU file. Now write name of xmgrass file and name of postscript file. As you want, you can write any name. Remember extension of both file. Now open a graphite .output file and search Fermi energy by typing Fermi, the value of Fermi energy, or you can write. Now last line is 5.00 is actually the major tick marks on y-axis for energy level, and the value of 5.4340 is reference line. Now save this file as plotband.in. and save as type is equal to all file. Then close all this file. Now compile this file. With plot band and press enter. You can see here lot of XMGrace file that our major interest in PS file, which is here with PS extension. Now open PS viewer, online PS viewer in an internet browser. This is psviewer.org. Click on it. Select your PS file from your computer. Okay, now here you can see your band. Just okay, align 1 you can download this file with different type of format here. Okay, our file is ready. Now you can decorate it with paint, with title and high symmetry points on x-axis. Thank you for watching my videos.